Assalamu alaikum. Today our video about one application game named Happy Fruit. We will discuss about this, but before we discuss about that, please subscribe our channel for more videos. So this is the game. We will click to play and it will start. Happy Fruit. And here we go for many option like money, PayPal account, and you will have a balance of 10 fills US dollar to claim. If you need to claim any reward, you need to watch ad. It's about 20 second, 30 second, or sometime more than that. So you need to watch the ad before you receive your reward. So just wait for this one to finish, let it finish, and then you will receive your reward. It will show that you receive your rewards. You see 0.05 and you receive that one. Then there is another option they are showing like a money, and you click, it will goes again to advertisement, and it's like 30 seconds again you need to watch. So you need to wait again for this to finish, and you will receive your reward again with saying $1 or 0.5 or even two fills like this. So you just receive your reward for 0.23. So you will claim that one and your balance will increase in your PayPal account. Then you can another option with play. So you can play this one and you can earn with this one as well. They are showing that you can earn with this one also. It's a game for fun, for a time pass, but they are claiming that you can earn with this one and you will receive the payment via PayPal, Amazon, etc. You need to have a threshold of $100, and there is a mini way to claim. You see this reward, congrats, you got 0.87 reward. So if you want to claim this one, you need to click again to claim the reward, and it will goes again to the advertisement. So you need to watch again the advertisement, and you need to wait for this one to finish. So it will take again 30 seconds to 40 seconds like that, and sometime more than that, and you have to wait for this one. After that you will receive the same window that you receive your reward, and it's up to them how much they're giving you in each time. So here this goes again. You need to close the ad, and they're saying you received the $2. And when you're receiving again, there is another ad again to watch, and you will receive your reward. So here you will go again for another frustration ad you need to watch, because there is no choice. But actually guys, don't waste your time on this game, because it's a fake. They will just only waste your time. You can play it for fun, but not for earning. When you reach to $95, they will stop your earning, and they will not give you anything. So they will not let you to finish your threshold. So just if you want to play for fun, it's okay, but if you want to play for earning, it's and I hope you guys like my video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.